Door time. Right, okay, I thought I'd show you this because a lot of people just have not got the foggiest. That's the inside edge of the outside lock on the car. So I'm taking the handle and everything out of this car. You don't need to take the handle out in order to get that thing out of the car. What you do need to do is pop the rod on the top of it, which is one of these kind of carburetor link things. Just pop that off it, and I do that using just a little pry bar, which looks a bit like this trim clip bar. Like that, yeah. With me, I don't know where I got it from. I've had it 1,000 years. Tapes wrapped around it because I protect paint when I'm prying trim panels and stuff off like that. This is trim pry bar, a little pry bar. Now, on the inside here, a lot of people get confused by that little C-clip there, and that actually takes the lock out of the inside of the housing, but doesn't take the housing out of the door. If you go down here, you can see on the end there's a little metal plate. See that metal plate down there? Now that's a big U-clip. And all you really need to do is to get in there with a screwdriver, pull that downwards, and the lock will fall out of the door. That's all you need to do. Now, if you're doing this and the door is on the car still, which is likely to be, then you will need to, I believe you're going to need to remove the window frame. You can try it without removing the window frame, but the problem is the window frame bolts onto this pillar here. Put the torch back in again, and the window frame kind of goes, put the torch out of the way, the window frame kind of goes from there right the way up here and then out to the top, and it kind of sits over the top of that, so I don't think you're going to be able to get in there doing that. Right, so let's do a live action shot now. Can you see, if I put the camera in there, that'll be sort of, right, I'm just going to use the screwdriver. Sometimes these come straight out, sometimes they need a little bit of extension, but they're never normally that much of a challenge. Watch, this will be an absolute matter of bastard. Big secret. Now, one thing you will find is that when this thing comes out, it will often drop right the way down inside the door, and that's the clip I'm talking about. You see him? There, that holds the privacy lock into the door. Now, if I lift the door up, let me position the camera over here. Stop the torch from shining right into the camera. Lift the door up slightly. Oh, we are properly organised today, aren't we, Richard? There we are. There's the lock up there. No tripod, I'm afraid, folks, today. I don't know why. Now just wiggle the lock and it comes out of the door. It's as easy as that. It really is. So to all you folk out there that have been dropping me emails, how do you get everything out of a door like that? It took exactly that long as well. Just in case you folks think, you see he edited that and he cut all the swearing out. And then what I'll do is I'll dismantle this, I'll configure it to whatever key I've got for the ignition lock.